calls for a multiple of 3. So that means you will chain 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 until you reach your desired width. So once you're ready, you're going to go to the first chain right here next to the chain on the hook. You're going to do a single crochet. And then you're just going to single crochet all the way across. And that is going to be the foundation row. So just single crochet all the way across. Okay, so for the second row, you're going to chain up 1. And you're going to do a single crochet right in this first single crochet. And you're going to chain 2. You're going to skip 1 single crochet, and then you're going to do 2 single crochets in the next 2, chain 2, skip 1, and then 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip 1, and 2 single crochets in the next, well, 1 single crochet in the next 2 single crochets, chain 2, and 2. So you're going to have 2 of these left. So you're going to chain 2. You're going to skip your just 1 and then a single crochet in the very last single crochet. And that's row number 2. This is a pretty easy pattern. It's a 2-row repeat. So this row number 2, so row number 3. Let's see. Actually, it's a 2-row repeat. So number 2. So chain up 1. Then you're going to go and single crochet in the first single crochet right there. And then this chain, and in the chain 2 space, you're going to do 3 single crochets. Then you're going to jump to this next chain 2 space and do another 3 single crochets. And then again, skip to the next chain 2 space and do 3 single crochets. And that's going to be row number 3. Pretty easy. And then the last one right here. Do your 3 double single crochets, and then you're going to do a single crochet on the top of the single crochet below. Like that. And that's row number 3. So row number 4, you're going to chain 1, single crochet in the first. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip these 2 single crochets right here. And then you're going to do 1 deep single crochet here, and then in the next another single crochet, and then chain 2, skip this single crochet, and single crochet in the next 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip 1, and the next 2, chain 2, skip 1, and then single crochet in the next 2 single crochets. You're going to chain 2 at the end. You're going to skip 1, 2 crochets, single crochets, and single crochet on the very last one. And that is row number 4. So for the pattern, you're going to repeat row number 3 and 4. So 3 again, you just chain 1, single crochet in the first single crochet, and then in the chain 2 space, you're going to do your 3 single crochets. Skip to the next chain 2 space and do your other, 3 single crochets. Skip to the next chain 2 space and 3 single crochets. So because this project is all single crochets, it's going to take you a while to either, I don't know if you're gonna do, you can do a scarf or wrap. If you're doing a blanket, it's gonna take you a while because it's such a short stitch. So it'll keep you busy for a while. So again, jump to the chain 2 space, 3 single crochets, and then again 3 single crochets in the next chain 2, and then single crochet in the very last single crochet. This, so that's row 3. So row 4, you just again chain 1, single crochet in the first, you're gonna chain 2, skip the first 2, and then single crochet in the next 2, chain 2, skip 1, and single crochet in the next 2, and that's it. That's your repeat pattern. Pretty easy. And it's going to look something like this. You can stretch it out a little bit. You can see the, I don't know why this is actually green and it looks like a teal color, but anyway. So that's it. That's the pattern. It's really easy. Again, it's going to take you some time because it's a short stitch. That will keep you busy for a while if you want to do a scarf or anything like that. So that's the pattern. Please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.